Let's focus on the D sound that can be heard in the beginning of words like in dip, in the middle of words like in bandage, and in the end of words like in mad. To make the D sound, keep your teeth slightly apart and keep your jaw closed. Let the sides of your tongue curve up and the tip of your tongue is right behind your top teeth. Your voice is on, so you should feel vibration in your throat. Now you try to say the D sound. Today, we'll learn how letters make certain sounds and how we use those sounds to decode and read words. The letter D is a consonant that makes the voiced D sound, like in the word dip. We'll use the D sound when decoding a word with the letter D. We'll say each sound from left to right, then blend the sounds together to read the whole word. Let's practice decoding a word with the T sound. First, look at the word. Then, say each sound from left to right, remembering that the letter D makes the D sound. D, I, P, dip. Now you give it a try. Great job! You just decoded and read the word dip. Have fun practicing decoding words with the letter or consonant D that makes the D sound.